Waiting for players. Ano, Jay? So, ayun na nga, nakapasok na tayo dito at kasama ko na ulit yung purple na teacher. Tapos, bago yan, kunin natin yung coffee para may sanity tayo. I mean, increase sanity. Sanity ba? Sanity. Diba? Tapos, uy, andito na yung first patient. Ano ito, Taylor? Oh my God! Taylor Swift! Ay, may Taylor nga ni. Okay, stamp forms, take photo, computer, let's go. Naglalag ako guys, wait. Ayan. Take talk. Take talk. Thanks, I will be naman. Go, go, go. Oy, teacher. Ay, teka. Ay, ako pala yung nurse. Dapat hindi ako dito sa office. My bad. Sorry. Bye-bye, teacher. Open. Pasok aking pasyente. Tapos close natin yan para may privacy. Take DNA sample. Ouch. Analyze sample. Yeah, analyze the sample. Ang bagal naman ito. Okay, then... Wait lang guys. Guys, paki-like and subscribe guys. Mahal ko kayo. Konnichiwa. Tara, kuha tayo ng herbs. Herbs! Green, green, green. Herbs. Kuha natin yan. Then, apply treatment. Congrats! At ikaw ay ayos na. Drink na coffee dito kasi nakakapagod naman, di ba? Bye-bye! Balik ka ulit dito, sir, ah. Bye-bye! So, may bago naman tayong pasyente dito sa number 2 room. I heard the patients here aren't really sick. Siguro sir, mali ka ng akala sir. Kayo nga nagpapagamot dito. Anong tawag nyo doon? Hindi kayo sick kasi may lagnat? Ay, may sakit? Sige na nga. Bahala na yun. Basta hindi yun totoo. Kung totoo nga yun, iwan ko na.
Here's your medicine, eye drops, IV. Eye drops lang pala yun. Goodbye, my patient. Well, may you recover soon. Bye-bye. At yun na, lumabas na yung shift report. 2-0-0-0. Excellent. Oh, excellent. And best by... Me, mga ka-guys. Yes, I'm a best doctor ever. Thank you for your compliment. We're in shift 2, so let's go. I'm waiting for the other customers. No, not customers. It's patients, bro. Patients. Oh no, may nahimatay guys. Visitor fainted. Oh my god, visitor fainted. Faster, faster, faster. Please, kunin natin yung DNA. Analyze, sample. Please. Ang bagal guys, ang bagal. Oh my god. Okay, process result. Okay, anong sakit mo? Huh? Treatment. Okay. Cough syrup pala. Cough syrup, hindi ba po? Let's go. Bigyan na natin to guys para hindi na siya mahimatay ulit. Okay, bye-bye. Tapos na yung treatment, no? Bye. Grabe naman kasi nito. Ang dali lang mahimatay. Ay, antayan muna kita bago ka magising, okay? Bagal. Grabe naman yung recovery mo. It's like, oh my gosh. Go. Almost to. Tit. Ayun, okay na siya guys. Okay na siya, halo. Ba't ganyan yung face mo, be? Mag-antay na lang tayo ulit dito. Goodbye. Balik ka ulit dito ha, pag nahimatay ka ulit. Okay, bye-bye. Ang tagal lang naman ng mga bago nating patients, guys. Mawawala na talaga ako nito ng patient. Char lang. Joke lang yun. Joke lang. Ba't ang bagal mo Wait. Natin lang tayo dito. Grabe, nagulat ako doon. Pero, tara. May patience pa tayo. come in, my dear. Take DNA sample. Analyze. Oh. La 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 la. La la. Okay, process. What's your treatment? Give me. Oh, fever. Wait. This is your treatment. Let's go. Get this. And that ointment. Let's go. I think I'm right though. Apply, yes. Apply. Good. You're awesome, bro. Let's go. Oh. You're awesome, bro. We're cool. Bye-bye.
Oy, tabe. Sino yung bago nating patients? Hala. Anomaly. Question mark. Kasi tatlo yung question mark niya eh. I heard things. What things? I see things. Sa bagay, may mata ka naman, tapos may tenga ka. Yeah, it's okay because dangerous nga tong job na to, pero okay lang naman kasi I'm here as your doctor. Char. Doctor. Tara, room to. Let's go. Come in, my patient. Come in. Wait. Come in. Huh? Come in. Ulit. Ang bagay, guys. Come in. Ayun. Pumasok na si Anomaly guy. Anomaly Rathy. Tara, gamutin na natin siya. Analyze. 30, 48, 16, 70, 100. Ay, 100. Yun, let's go. What? Bruises? Medkit. Let's get some medkit for the anomaly. Rathy. Apply treatment. And you're good. Bye. Ron is waiting, so let's begin the x-ray. Yeah, let's go. The patient is on fire. Oh no. What? Wait, what is it again? Oh, I literally forgot it, bro. Red, green, pink. Wait, what? It's not finished yet? Oh my god, I forgot it. What is it? I'm so bad at copying the sequence, but yeah, let's do our best. Go. This one, I think, and that one, this one. Yes, we're good. You're welcome, Ron. You're welcome. I'll process the result. Guys, I'm so sorry if it's so noisy out here because I'm outside and there's a lot of chickens. So let's gonna take that medicine for Ron. Yeah, let's go. Wait, there's the medicines. I think that one. Then the medicine. And let's go. Gonna give it to Ron. Apply treatment, and you're good. Goodbye, Ron. Hello, kuha natin to ng DNA tapos analyze ng sample. Kasi routine na yan eh. Mag-wait na lang tayo, guys. Process result. Sige, saan yung treatment na gusto mong i-treat kita? I-treat? Ano yun? Joke lang.
Sige na nga, kukunin na nga natin yung dalawang treatment, yung medicine tsaka medkit. So, let's go. Ano yan? Patient rin? Kuha na tayo ng medkit, tas medicine, tapos dito tayo. Hala, ba't ka umiiyak? Siya ba yung susunod dito, guys? Wait. Ay, visitor pala siya.
Hala, the visitor has fainted. Oh my god, let's go. Faster, teacher, faster. Check natin. Meron ba? Wala. Pero ba't ang dilim? Hala.
Wala, sino yun? Ah! Wala. Nagulat ako dun ah. Sige na, dito tayo sa fainted. Ano to? Visitor, oo, visitor. Wala. Mimic eating patients. Ala. Saan yun? Saan? Dito. 15, 14. Ala. The end. Bye-bye.